Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Honda Civic headlight bulb. First, gather your tools like a Phillips head screwdriver and a new H11 bulb. Make sure your engine is completely off and cool to the touch for safety. Always consult your specific Honda Civic owner's manual for any unique instructions before you begin. Now, open your car's hood and locate the back of the headlight assembly. You will see the electrical connector attached to the bulb. Gently twist and pull to disconnect this connector. Next, remove any rubber covers or metal clips that hold the bulb in place, being careful not to force anything. With the old bulb exposed, carefully remove it from its housing. Remember, never touch the glass part of your new bulb with bare hands, as oils can shorten its lifespan. Hold the new bulb by its plastic base and firmly insert it into the socket, ensuring it's seated correctly. Finally, reattach the electrical connector to the new bulb. Before closing everything up, turn on your headlights to confirm the new bulb is working properly. Once confirmed, replace any covers or clips you removed earlier. Close your hood, and you're all set with your bright new headlight.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.